welcome back to our channel. So if you guys have not seen our video before this, it is how to put on lashes.
Go check that out down below in the link. So I bought a whole bunch of neon colors from STARGAZER. It's a very cheap,
cheap, affordable, and they're super pigmented, but they are from the UK, so shipping and handling is
like $12. But I did buy a lot of products. I got some glitters here. They're very pretty and colorful, and a lot of neon colors. So we're going to be doing a rainbow look for you guys today. It's going to be a very fun look. And yeah, let's just get started. The first shade we're going to put on our faces is this 30 shade right here. It's like a sparkly yellow. Gonna be the shade we put right here.
With this brush right here, I'm going to go in and pop that color in.
One.
I'm so excited. I have not used any of their products. I've used their neon eyeliners, or UV eyeliners, but besides that, I have not. Ooh, I really like this. I'm actually surprised how pigmented it is.
And bright.
I own a couple eye dusts, but I don't technically use them a lot. So that's kind of bringing up the base for that. You want to make sure that this is blended out right here so you can add another color.
Yeah, this is our very first time trying out all their dusts, their loose what is it? Their loose shadows.
Eye dust.
Yes.
Some
shit
like
like that. But they're very vibrant. I'm going to enjoy using these for so many different looks.
I know. Now, eye dusts are actually going to be something that I'm going to want to buy.
They have so many other shades, too, that are, just matte colors.
Really?
Yeah. Or hopefully they are, because I thought I bought the matte colors, but some of them have shimmer in it.
But at least they're, highly pigmented.
Super highly pigmented.
That is what my yellow looks like so far.
Yes, and this is mine.
The next shade we're going to be using is this pretty orange in 203. I'm going to be using the same exact brush again.
Yes, me too. But we're going to clean it off first on a rag.
And then go in with these pigmented colors. And remember, we are trying to do basically an ombre.
Oh my god.
They're so nice. I'm actually surprised the first look we did was this with it, because it's perfect. I've never really worked with loose powders like this.
Me neither.
I always thought that they were a bad thing for some reason.
I'm loving it so much right now.
These ones are so nice. But look at it.
It's so fucking...
And we've been trying to look for an orange for a while.
Yes.
You are building it on all sides. You go back in and grab a little bit of yellow just to clean up.
Yeah, and blend it extra.
Yes, blending is key, you guys. I don't know how much we can stress that in our videos.
But blend, and blend.
That's literally, if you don't like the way your looks, blend and maybe you can get somewhere with it.
This next shade is 207. It's a pretty vibrant red.
Ooh, this one is literally a color that I've been looking for forever.
Yeah, my dumbass was gonna be oh my god.
I'm literally in love with this color.
So peachy, so I don't know. It's just the perfect color.
Yeah, it really is. Now I feel like I'm gonna end up spending money on this website again.
Yeah, I spent $100 on that website. It was worth it though.
So as you're going through this look, you're going to want to go and you're going to want to touch up every individual color as you go, just because some will smudge over the other, some will get a little messy, and you also want both eyes to look somewhat identical. So our next product is going to be this pink in 205. So the reason why we are using so many colors is because we are experimenting with all the new ones that she bought.
While doing
this
makeup.
Is so pretty.
So fucking vibrant. Oh my god.
No, girl, I'm buying them. I'm buying them. I'm so happy.
You don't understand.
Are so nice.
I was waiting for my UPS, and that guy was like, oh my god, my package comes in today. And I was like, okay, go online, check on my email, see where the fuck it is. And then I woke up, it says delivered. And I was like, what? It's delivered?
The first thing you texted me about this one.
And I went outside, I ran downstairs, and I opened the door, and it was right there. I was like, oh my god, yes.
Like, thank God.
So this is how mine looks so far. So this shade is in 206.
This is in 204.
Just going in again and blend, blend, blend. So time for blue. I'm just going to use this little tapered pointy brush and apply the blue to the outer and just make it an extra wing.
Mine isn't going to have that much blue in it just because I already dragged my wing out very far. I'm going to put a little bit of more yellow into it just to make it pop.
We're just going to touch up a little bit and then go right in and do a cut crease. Now I just take a clean fluffy brush, add some like white pale shade and just blend the top a little so it's not too rough.
So we are going to cut our creases off camera just because it's going to be a little easier for us, and then we'll show you guys what we look like right afterwards.
And then we'll show you our own little spaz to this rainbow look. I'm going to be using this shade in 104 to put all over my cut crease.
And then I'm going to be using these two products, which is a basically a NYX glitter primer, and then my Kiss Lash strip adhesive to basically just create a winged liner with these little flashing lights glitter that I got from Sally's. So we're putting our own twist to it now. This is basically what it is. Most people can go in and fill in their bottom half with whatever they want to. So we're just going to create something.
Unless you want to create the one we create, then go ahead. This shade is like a glittery, like very precious looking shade. It matches my shirt.
And I'm only doing a single line over. I am not doing a full wing. So now I am going to put the glitter on a brush and just start to apply it. This is my favorite glitter. It reminds me of like a disco. So that's basically what it looks like. It's just a single line of glitter. So I'm going to go on my other eye and start it.
I'm just going to use some face spray to kind of set the powder into my eye and just pat some more color in. Taking some cocoa oil solution, I'm just going to sharpen the edge.
So mine is literally just eyeliner.
I'm going to be just putting a whole bunch of tiny stars on there, right on my cut crease. Dot it for me.
You're like stabbing yourself. So,
this is our final look.
They were created using the STARGAZER products.
Yes, they're so awesome. I can't wait to go shop on their site again.
I know. This was our different creations, though. I literally just put like a glitter called Flashing Lights just straight over my like baseline where my lashes would go.
And this is my look. I just put a whole bunch of stars right like on my cut crease.
So if you guys like this tutorial and you guys want to watch more videos by us, the Asian Barbies,
yes, like and subscribe.
Press that little like notification bell button.
Yes, comment down below so we know that you want more tutorials from us.
Thank you guys for watching today.
Yes, thank you for watching to the end of the video.
Just remember to like and subscribe. We will put down all of our social media links down below, so go check that out. But this is the end of the video. And now to our close-ups.